First, we will need to take out this cover. You can pull this cover from the bottom side. Also, pull this from the top part. And then there is this right side that also needs to be pulled out. Here's a close-up shot. There is a clip right there. Just need to pull that clip out. With that, we are done removing the cover. Right there is a place for the cabin air filter. This is how that cover looks like. It has a tab at the top and at the bottom. We'll need to press that tab from the top part to take this cover out. Once the cover is out, notice right there is the cabin air filter. I will grab the filter from the bottom corner and then pull it outwards gently until it completely comes out. There we got the filter taken out completely. Now suppose you have a new filter and you want to install it back. Make sure this side where you see two arrows, one on the left side and one on the right side, that side has to stay on top. There you see that arrow facing towards the engine, and that similar side needs to stay on top before installing the cabin air filter. We will go ahead and punch in the filter back. Make sure you install the top part first and then you can slide in the bottom part. There's the filter completely inside. Just make sure the top and the bottom edge is completely in and it's not coming out, and it seems like it has gone completely in. Now we will go ahead and put back this cover. Cover has two tabs, one at the top and one at the bottom. Push the bottom tab first, and then we push the top portion of the tab. There it is, the cover is firm and tight and it's not coming out, just like that. While taking out the cabin filter, you will see some dirt particles which I cleaned up in my case. Now I am going to put back this big cover. Will recommend punching in the right side first. There's that clip. We need to make sure that clip is in the right spot and need to push it inwards to make it firm and strong. That part is in. Now we will push it from the other side. And there we ended up replacing the cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.